Here's how to add all your important links to Instagram profile in minutes. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button. Here, look for the Links option and tap on it. Now, tap on Add Link at the top. Here, Instagram will ask for two things: the URL and the link title. You can paste the first link in the URL slot, and then type an appropriate name as the title. After that, tap on the Done option to save it. Now repeat the same process for your other links. Instagram currently allows you to add up to 5 links directly inside your bio. Once you add multiple links, Instagram will display them in the same order. So make sure your most important link stays at the top. And that's it.